Guys, my name is Simone Brielle. If you like how this look turned out, please make sure to keep watching, like the video, and also subscribe, and we'll get right into the video. I figured I would go in with my e.l.f. matte putty primer. My face is kind of breaking out, you know, it's that time of the month. So. I'm just rubbing this into my face. Ooh. I kind of honestly, ooh, this is not trying to rub in. Okay, so I low-key like the other one better. Not the matte one, but just the regular poreless putty, because this is like, and it's about, what is going on? Ooh. Ooh. I'm just gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Prime Focus Primer Serum. This never fails me. I don't know why. I don't know if that's old, but then again, like, I have this monster on my chin, so I don't know if I put some acne medicine on it, so the primer may not be working well with that. I'm going to use my Catrice HD Liquid Coverage Foundation. This is really good. And it comes in a little dropper. Bam. I think this is advertised as like full coverage or medium coverage. I need something, fam, because my face, look. Yeah. So I ended up really liking this Soul Face and Body Balm. I like this, and I feel like since my face is really matte right now, I need something with some hydration. So I'm just doing what I did last time. I'm just applying it with a brush, and I'm gonna blend it out with this beauty sponge. But yeah, so for my next video, I was thinking it would be really cool to do my brows, because, you know, I've gotten feedback and apparently you guys want to see how I do my brows. And then I also wanted to do, when I get a chance, I've been kind of sick. Okay. So my last video, I was kind of sick, right? I sounded like a whole man. You can really hear it. And I'm pretty sure it was a cold. But, you know, my mom was saying you never know. It really could be COVID. So I just haven't really been going anywhere. But once I'm like in the clear, once I'm in the clear completely, I'm going to try to, you know, go and do like a shop with me, buy new makeup. I figured that would be really cool, really fun. Oh, I don't know what powder to use. Like, okay, so I have this Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I haven't used this in a really long time, but I'm kind of scared because it's not like a yellow powder. It's kind of pinky. Well, on the camera it looks yellow, but in person it's like a pinky shade. But I'm gonna try just to set my under eyes with it. Like, this is a really good powder, you know, but I just kind of feel like their shade selection was kind of weird, you know, like they didn't have like a yellow powder, and they had like other shades, but I feel like they didn't have a shade for me. Like this one, I feel like it's too light. Like, look at that. Come. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to bronze my skin again because this is. I can't believe I used to wear this. In my last video, I was saying that, or maybe it was my full face of ColourPop, but in one of my videos, I was saying that I used to have the ColourPop No Filter Sheer Press Powder, and I would use this to set my whole face. And like, I've hit pan on it and everything. But this is a good powder. So I'm gonna put that where I put that bronzer. And then I'm gonna have to go in with like a powder bronzer because that powder is too light. I'm like, have I just been wearing my makeup too light? Like, is that what's going on? What's really going on? Okay. So I remember forever ago, Jackie Aina talked about this palette. And it's the Beauty Bakery Coffee and Cocoa palette. I've hit pan on the highlighter because it's my favorite highlighter, but I'm gonna try to use that bronzer. It's kind of deep, so I'm kind of nervous, but I had to do something because this is, and it's shimmery. Whatever. Like, I bought this palette basically off the strength Jackie Aina said it was really good. And it is, like, it's really good. It's super pigmented, but I just don't really like this bronzer because it's got shimmer in it, you know? Like, I just don't like that. Like, I'm getting off subject. So, I had a cold. I just remember I woke up and like I felt congested and I'm like, Lord, not me. Like, did I catch the Rona? Even though I rarely leave my house, I was just like, I don't know where I could have gotten it from, but my boyfriend, he works and he goes out and about, but for the most part, I literally just sit in the house. I might leave like every once in a while, but I was super nervous and I was just like, I really hope I don't got it. So nonetheless, I was drinking like green tea like 3 times a day. I took some Zicam. I was like doubling up on my prenatal vitamins. I was just like, I gotta boost my immune system because if that's what it is, you know, I want to be able to fight it. And I started feeling better. But now Journey woke up this morning and she was congested, and I'm just like, oh no. I don't want, like, I pray my baby's not sick. But yeah, so that's why my video was late, because I just haven't really been feeling good. And then, you know, blah, blah, blah. But I felt really guilty about my video being late. Like, it really bothered me. Not that I have, like, a whole bunch of, you know, subscribers that are like, where's the video? Where's the video? But still, it just, you know, I don't know. So I have 2 palettes that I can go in with. I have the Amrezy one, and then I have this Too Faced Pumpkin Spice. Let me see what's going on with this Amrezy palette. Let's see. I don't know what look I'm going for, but I always start with a brown color in my crease. So let's just gonna do that first. So I'm gonna take the shade OG. It's like a burgundy shade, so I'm gonna. That's pretty. Oh, So I think I need just a plain fluffy brush just so I can like blend it out so I can make it as seamless as possible. You don't want it to look like, you know, you just stamp the color down and then, you know, moved right along. Like, I don't want to do that. So I'm just gonna blend it. I'm gonna cut my crease with, I'm gonna use this every single video, so. So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Cupcake. And it's like a purpley pink color. I'm feeling kind of grody. I don't think I really need to spray my brush for the shimmer, but I want it to be as pigmented as possible. Ooh. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna take the burgundy shade Sunset and I'm just gonna deepen this area. You know, do you ever feel like when you do your makeup, one eye turns out better than the other? Definitely this one. Probably because I'm right-handed. So there's another really pretty pink shade in here, and it's called Barb. And I think I'm gonna put that like in this inner area. And it's another shimmer, so I'm gonna spray my brush. Alright, so I think I am gonna go in with liner because you know I gotta wear lashes, so I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner. These lashes actually came from someone in my area sells them, so I'll link them in the description box, her Instagram. But my boyfriend's actually friends with her and he bought these for me, you know, just to support her business, of course. But they're really, really good. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but the band is really flexible and they're very light, you know, that's what I like. You don't want some eyelashes that are gonna be drooping you down. Because honestly, that's kind of what those Amazon ones do. So while that lash glue is drying, I figured the highlighter I can use is the one from that Beauty Bakery palette, the Coffee and Cocoa. So I'm just going to throw some highlighter on. This highlighter, oh my god, like when in the summertime, it's so pretty. Beauty Bakery is an amazing brand, and I honestly think I should do a full face. I kind of stay clear, like when I found out that Beauty Bakery, their products were really matte, I was like, oh no, that's not gonna work for me, because my skin, ever since I had Journey, my skin has changed. Like I don't get, it's oily, like it's just different. So it's like, I was like, that's not gonna work for me. So also while I'm waiting, I'm gonna just set my face. Then you know I gotta go in with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is just, you know, I'm honestly not even gonna do my makeup if I don't have this. So okay, so I put these lashes on. Wow, these are super overdramatic. Wow. And don't worry if you're seeing glue, don't worry, that will dry. And then the lash glue that I used is the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Mine is disgusting. Next, I am gonna go in with a lip liner. I definitely think like a nude would look best with this look, just because the eyes are like, oh wow. Normally I go with go in with my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF3. It's like a cool toned brown. Yeah, BFF3. It's like a cool toned brown, and I usually go in with that with like a nude lipstick, but I'm gonna try to go in with something a little deeper. And this is in the shade Control. I think I'm gonna go in with this lippy. This is my ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip, and this is in the shade Times Square. It's kind of got, it's a nude but with like a pinky undertone. Oh. I'm gonna take that lip liner that I used, and I'm just gonna try to deepen up the shade. And then I'm gonna throw on a lip gloss because my lips look a little dry. The lip gloss that I went in with is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Diamond Milk. So it's like clear with, mine is honestly kind of, yeah, so mine is kind of disgusting because I just use it as a clear gloss. So it's got like 50 million shades in there. So next, I probably should have done my lower lash line a little earlier, but I did not. So I have a bunch of those ColourPop, what are these called? Cream gel liners. And I want to go in with one of these. So this is the shade Amethyst Hour. So, but then I also have a pink one, Good Reef. I think Amethyst Hour will look good. Oh, Crybaby. Crybaby's purple. Let's do Crybaby. Alright guys, so this is how the look turned out. I actually don't think the lashes are too much. I actually really like them. They're like really, they are dramatic, don't get me wrong, but they're like perfect for this look. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, share my channel, and also it would be really great if you guys commented some more video content suggestions that you would like to see, or if there's anything you would like to see me do different. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!